Welcome to the Plus add-on tutorial. Today we're gonna demonstrate Tooltip option, which is available in most of all the widgets from Advanced tab in the Plus extras. You can turn it on from here and you will have all the options for the content and style. So let's discuss about the content tab first. In the content tab, you have the content type. From there, you can select the text content or VSync editor. In the editor, you have the option to put the HTML and you can manage many things into this editor. And if you want just a simple text content, you can select the text content. From here, you can add the description. Then you have the text alignment options. You also have the typography options. That means you have all the font family, font size, weight, transform, style, decoration, line height, and the letter spacing options available for the typography of the tooltip text. Then you have the text color option. After that, you have style tab. In the style tab, you have the option for the tooltip. In the options, first of all, you have the Tooltips Interactive option. You can enable or disable. The Tooltip Interactive means they won't hide when you hover over or click on them. Like you can select even the text. If you turn it off, it will be like this. You cannot move on that. You cannot move on the tooltip. So you can turn on or off the interactivity. Then you have the position options. You have the various positions. We have used tp.js. It have lots of options available, and we have tried to get as much as possible options and which are the needed. So you have the placement options. You can select it top, bottom, right, top start, top end. You have all the options available. Then you have the theme option. You can make it dark, light, or translude. Then you have the width option. You can adjust the width of tooltip. We also have put the responsive options, so you can adjust the tooltip width in the different devices. Then you have the offset and distance option. The offset and distance option, you can adjust that like this. If you have a short distance, it will be almost after your content, and you can adjust the distance by using the offset or the distance. Then you have the arrow option. You can make it default or round or none. Then you have the arrow color option. You also have the trigger option, like how you want to show the tooltip. You can set hover or you can set the click. Then you have the animation options. Which animation options you want to show the tooltip. Then you have the option for the duration in and duration out. Let me show you the example. You can set the duration like this. If you have the higher values, it will be a slowly come in. You can adjust the in and out time like this. After the tooltip options, you have the style option for the tooltip. In the style option, you have the option for the padding. This will be a inner padding. Then you have the background option. You also have the border option, so you can adjust the border of the tooltip. You have the option for the border radius. You also have the option for the box shadow. In that, you can select the color and all the other values related to box shadow. So these are the options available for the tooltip option. So if you have any other questions, write us on the comment box below. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial on tooltip. Subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Do check all the related links in the description below. Thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.